हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल। सो गाइस, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ पाइथन दैट इज 3.14 इन योर सिस्टम, ओके, और इन योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, ओके. So guys, let's start guys. So for that, what you need to do, just go here in Google, okay. So try for first Python, okay. Just search here only Python, okay. Next, what you need to do guys, just go here. You can see here there is an python.org, right? Just click on here, then you will get one screen, okay. The screen will be like this. So here you just go in download, and here you can see guys all the latest version release you can see here, okay. So just click on here. Here you can see guys 1 point Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Just I'm 1 point I'm telling guys, okay. After that, go in Python 3.14, okay. Here you will get the download option, okay. So you try to download, okay. So I'm downloading here, okay. It is downloading now, okay. Right. And you can see here guys, you can see all the operating system, that is Windows, Mac OS, Android. See, according to that you can try guys, okay. So all the operating systems you will get, according to that you can try to download and try to install, okay. After this, what you need to do guys, see here the installation is completed, right? Later we'll click on here guys. You can see here, just click on open, it will get open, okay. Sorry guys. Okay, here guys, the most important thing, just listen here because this is very important guys. So here you need to select this, use installation py.exe, and one more thing is add python.exe to path. This is very important guys, you need to select, okay. Then after that, click on custom installation. Then all here all should get tick on the guys, okay. Then later click on next, okay. Next guys, here is very important point, that is this install Python 3.14 for all user. This is very important, so you need to select it. You can see guys the point I am showing you once again, okay. So just click on here, that is first point. Then after this, after that, try to install, okay. Now it will get installed, okay. So you can see guys, it is installing now. So here we have to wait for some time. For Mac OS, you can see guys here. Okay, after that, you need to just close guys. Now the installation is completed, right? Just close here. Then here first open the command prompt guys, because we'll see whether it is installed or not. So just open the command. Then where it gone? Okay, it is opening. It is taking some time. Okay. Then here guys, just type Python. Okay. Just type Python. You can see guys here the latest version has been installed, okay. You can see here, okay. Even you can try to do coding here also, okay. That is print hello, you can see guys. Or even you can do guys in idle also. So there is an idle also guys, from by using this also you can do coding, or you can use VS code also guys. There also we can do the same thing, okay. So print, here you can write guys hello, see. Or you can take new file and you can write the code here, right? Like a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Then here we'll do print a plus b. We'll run this guys. Okay, so we'll save here Python 1. Okay, now you can see the output guys. We got the output also. We are running here, and here we got the output, okay. So like this guys, you can install the latest version of Python in your operating system, okay. So I hope guys you got it. Suppose if you want the more videos regarding Python and all guys, already I have uploaded in my channel, so you can visit there. And if you want more videos like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.